Ready to find out the laziest way to start making money on ClickBank? I mean, even if you're a total beginner with zero experience, what if you could build a simple, almost automatic moneymaker that works for you 24/7? No creating products, no customer service headaches, and definitely no marketing degree required. This is the exact set it and forget it method I've used for years to generate passive income. So, forget all the complicated stuff you've heard. In this video, we're building this thing from the ground up, step by step, in the easiest way I know how. Pay close attention, because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you think about making money online. Part 1. What is ClickBank and why is it perfect for lazy people? So, what's the deal with ClickBank? If you're brand new to all this, think of it as a giant online marketplace, kind of like Amazon, but packed with digital products like courses, ebooks, and software. Now, here's why it's a perfect fit for the lazy beginner. The whole system runs on something called affiliate marketing, and that just means you don't have to do any of the hard stuff. Seriously, you don't make the product. You don't ship anything. You don't deal with payments or angry customers. Your one job is to send people who might be interested in a product to that product's sales page. You do this using a special link ClickBank gives you. If they buy, you get a commission. That's it. And the commissions on ClickBank can be wild, sometimes up to 75% or even more, because it costs almost nothing to deliver a digital product. The entire lazy method is built on one simple idea. Create a tiny automated system once and let it send people to these offers for you, day and night. Your first step couldn't be easier. Just head over to clickbank.com and create a free account. It takes about 5 minutes. You'll put in your basic info, agree to the terms, and create your account nickname. This nickname is key. It's how your special affiliate links are tracked to make sure you get paid. Part 2. How to find a lazy goldmine product. Alright, you're in. Now for the part where most beginners get stuck and just give up. But for us, this is where the lazy method makes it simple. We need to find a product to promote. Once you're logged into ClickBank, click on Marketplace at the top. You'll see a menu of categories on the left like health and fitness or e-business and e-marketing. My advice? Pick a category you actually find interesting. It makes the whole thing feel less like a job. Now, here's the lazy filter for finding a winner. We're looking for 2 key numbers. The first is the average commission per sale. Bigger is obviously better, but the most important number is the gravity score. Gravity tells you how many different affiliates have made a sale on that product recently. A high gravity score proves that people are actually pulling out their wallets and buying it. But here's a little secret. Don't just chase the highest gravity score. A score of 500 is awesome, but it's also a shark tank. You'll be competing against pros with massive budgets. Instead, we're looking for the sweet spot, a gravity score somewhere between 20 and 100. This tells you the product sells well, but the field isn't so crowded that a beginner can't get a slice of the action. Scroll through the listings and find a product that fits that criteria. And here's another tip. Look for an affiliate page. This page is a goldmine. The product owner literally gives you pre-written emails, ad ideas, and images to use. They've done all the creative work for you. Find a product with a solid gravity score and good affiliate resources, and you've found your lazy goldmine. Once you pick one, hit the promote button, pop in your account nickname, and ClickBank will generate your unique affiliate link or hop link. Copy that link and save it. This is the link that makes you money. Part 3. The lazy traffic machine, your automated visitor engine. This is the most important piece of the puzzle, getting people to actually click your link. This is where the lazy system really proves its worth. We are not going to be spamming our links all over the internet or grinding away, creating content for hours a day. We're going to use a simple semi-automated traffic source with a super long shelf life, and for that, my favorite platform is Pinterest. Why Pinterest? Because it's not just social media, it's a visual search engine. That means a pin you create today can still be getting views and clicks months or even years from now. An Instagram post or a tweet is basically invisible after a few hours. Here's the lazy Pinterest method step by step. First, create a free Pinterest business account. Name it something related to your niche like easy keto recipes or DIY woodworking projects. Next, you'll create simple graphics called pins. And no, you don't need to be a designer. Just go to a free tool like Canva, search for Pinterest pin templates, and you'll get thousands of designs. All you do is swap out the text and maybe the picture. So, what do you write about? Keep it simple and create curiosity. If you're promoting a weight loss product, your pins could have titles like 5 foods that actually burn fat, how I lost 10 pounds in 3 weeks, or the easiest diet I've ever tried. Every pin needs a catchy image, a clear title, a short description, and of course, a destination link. We'll get to exactly where that link goes in the next step. Now for the automation. You don't need to live on Pinterest. You can create 15 or 20 of these simple pins in about an hour. Then, using Pinterest's own free scheduling tool, you set them to post automatically over the next week or two. You set it up once, and it just runs. Pinning consistently, even just 5 or 10 times a day, is how you build momentum. This system is working for you while you're sleeping, at your day job, or on vacation. Part 4, your 10-minute money page. Okay, so where do we send people from Pinterest? This is a step that lazy people love because it's so simple but makes a huge difference. You never want to send people straight from a pin to the ClickBank offer. It comes off as spammy, and a lot of platforms just don't allow it. Instead, we use a simple one-page website called a bridge page or landing page. This page has one single purpose: to warm up the visitor before you send them to the actual offer. It bridges the gap between their initial curiosity and the product itself. And don't worry, building this page isn't technical at all. You can use simple drag-and-drop landing page builders. Some are even recommended by ClickBank. Your lazy landing page only needs 4 things. 1. A killer headline. It should match what your pin promised. If your pin said, "The easiest way to learn piano," your headline should be something like, "Finally, an easy way to learn piano at home." 2. A few bullet points. List 3 or 4 benefits of what they're about to see. You can usually swipe these ideas right from the product's sales page or the affiliate resources I mentioned. 3. A big, obvious button. A clear call to action button that says something like, "Click here to learn more," "Watch the free video now," or "Show me the method." 4. Your affiliate link. This is the final piece. You just set that big button's destination to be your unique ClickBank hop link that you saved earlier. That's it. No complicated website, no blog you have to update constantly, just one simple page that does the work for you. This page builds just enough trust and dramatically increases the chances someone will buy when they see the offer. It's a 10-minute job that can easily double or triple your results. Part 5. Activating your automated system. So let's put it all together. This is what your lazy ClickBank machine looks like in action. Step 1. Someone is scrolling on Pinterest, looking for ideas on how to lose weight. Step 2. They spot your eye-catching pin that says, 3 foods I cut out to lose 15 pounds. They're curious, so they click. Step 3. They land on your simple 10-minute page. The headline grabs their attention. They scan a few bullet points about a cool new weight loss method, and their interest grows. Step 4. They click that big tempting button that says, "Discover the method now." Step 5. That button coded with your affiliate link sends them straight to the official ClickBank product sales page. Now, the professional sales video and copy on that page take over and do all the heavy lifting for you. Step 6. The person decides to buy. And because they used your special link, ClickBank's system knows it was you. And there it is, a commission. Let's say $42 gets deposited into your account. Think about it. You never spoke to that customer. You didn't write the sales pitch. You didn't create the product. All you did was set up a simple system to guide them from a pin to an offer. Now what if you had 10, 20, or 100 of these little machines working for you? That's the power of this method. If you're finding this helpful and want more simple, lazy affiliate strategies like this one, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and makes sure you don't miss what's next. I've also put links to some of my favorite tools for building these landing pages down in the description. Look, starting an online business doesn't have to be some soul-crushing, overwhelming grind. The beauty of this is that you're leveraging other people's hard work. You're just the connector. You connect people who have a problem with a product that has the solution. So here's your action plan. Don't just click away and watch another video. Take action on this. 1. Sign up for your free ClickBank account. 2. Spend 30 minutes in the marketplace and find one product with a gravity between 20 and 100. 3. Generate your hop link. 4. Go create a free Pinterest business account and a simple landing page. 5. Start creating and scheduling your first 10 pins. That's all it takes to get started. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. This lazy method is about building a real asset that can earn you passive income for years. You can do this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.